So as you can see on the screen, we've got the stupid looking random movement working. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to make it look less stupid. So we're going to go back into the zombie boy. I'm going to delete that code out. I'm going to go back into the zombie girl and delete the code out of that. Now I'm going to keep it on the girl code for now, just for easiness. And I'll copy it across to the boy when I'm done. So I'm just going to minimize this so you can see. Now, this way of doing it is a little bit more difficult because you're going to start using some variables. So first things first, above the act function, you need to make a nice public integer. So public in counter equals 0. Now what you're going to do is you're going to keep adding to that counter. So counter plus equals 1. Now all that means is it's the same as doing counter equals counter plus 1. Now what an if statement, if the counter mod 100 is equal to 0, then we're going to set the rotation. So set rotation Greenfoot dot get random number 360, and then we're going to make it say moves around regardless. Okay. Now what this will do is this little bit of code will keep adding, so it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really quickly. Then every time it gets to be a multiple of 100, so 100, 200, 300 and so on, it will change direction. Now what this does mean is that it is dependent on your processor. So if your processor is a really good processor, it's going to add up that counter really quickly. But if your computer is quite slow, a bit old, it may do it a bit slower. But again, it doesn't really matter for the exam, it's still moving randomly. If I just compile all that, provided there's no errors. Now, see the girl is moving quite randomly now in different places. Now I might want to reduce that number if I want it to move a bit more, or reduce the speed so it shouldn't go flying around the screen. But that is the other way of getting that code, so I can copy that, put that in the zombie boys code, compile that again, public in counter equals 0, and now they're all moving randomly and I can move around along with them. So that is another way of doing random movement.